Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about the participle. First, we examine this sentence. Hearing the noise, the boy woke up. The word hearing qualifies the noun boy as an adjective does. It is formed from the verb hear and governs an object. The word hearing, a verb and an adjective both. So the word hearing is a participle. We can give the definition of participle like this. A participle is a word which is partly a verb and partly an adjective. There are three types of participle: present participle, past participle and perfect participle. First, we will discuss present participle. Example of present participle: we saw a girl carrying a basket of flowers. This example is the example of present participle which ends in ing. So, which participle ends with ing? Called present participle. If the verb from which it comes is transitive, it takes an object like this, a basket of flowers. Second is past participle. It represents a completed action, as I found the lost book. It will be noticed that the past participle is the third form of the verb. Third is perfect participle. It represents an action as completed at some past time. For example, having rested, we started our journey. Having rested is perfect participle. A participle can be used in active as well as in passive voice. For example, in active voice, participle is loving, and in passive voice, being loved. In perfect participle, active voice is having loved, and passive voice is having been loved. In past participle, passive is loved.